Before we get started with this video, if you're one of those delicate people who are always calling simple mods like that front bumper diffuser that I made tacky or ghetto, just don't even watch this video. Later. For those who want to stick around and look at an easy DIY mod for your car, watch this video. Voila, there we go. Just like that, I am now fully satisfied. Sorry, I got some rubber bands on my braces. Can't wait to get these braces off. So finally, I am now satisfied with the look of the car. Don't get me wrong, I still miss the black. I'm still gonna end up going back to black eventually, but I think this look right here is it. This is what I'm happy with now with the silver. I mean, it looks pretty sick. I love the way it looks. What do you guys think? What do y'all think? It's pretty good, right? Yeah, I think this is it. This is what I was missing. Just a little bit of a touch to it, and that's gonna be it. I think I'm gonna leave it alone for a few months. Maybe next year I'll wrap it, but let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Doing this is very, very easy. You guys can probably spend maybe 40, 50 bucks on vinyl. This is 3M, so it's not no cheap vinyl. So 40, 50 bucks on some good vinyl, and get yourself a really, really sharp, oh, it got dark. Just get yourself a really sharp blade, and you'll be able to cut around the rim, you know, whatever your rim shape is. On mine, it was a little bit more difficult than like on a flat wheel because these Weld RTSs have like a little step to it. I mean, you guys can see it has like the little silver around it, and I wanted to make sure it looked as close as possible to what the black option is from Weld. And I mean, spending 40 bucks, 40, 50 bucks is a lot better than spending hundreds on powder coat. Plus, I love the polish look, and I'm gonna end up going back to polish once the car's back in black. So this is just temporary. So money well spent. So if you guys are interested, some vinyl wrap, a razor blade, and some patience. The back wheels were a lot easier because they're a little bit more flat. Front wheels are a little bit more concave inside, so that was a little bit of a challenge. But I mean, overall, we're good. Anyways, you guys stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna be working on this one, and after that, it's dyno time. I have nothing else to show you guys but that, and then I really don't have anything else to show you guys as far as mods to the car. It's just dyno time and time to enjoy them. Time to start driving. I'm gonna select a few of you guys for ride-alongs. You guys can choose whichever car you guys want. But all right, guys, later.